This is the vlog with Stitch. Oh, sorry. I know I haven't not been making videos with him lately. I've not been making videos that much, so I'm really sorry. Tomorrow, there's going to be a video of Annabelle and Bloom going to Dave and Buster's. And we're at Steve. Huh? Yeah. Hey, Stitch. Tell them what to do before you start the video. Yep. Okay. Yep. They should do that. Yep. That too. Yep. That. Oh yeah. That's pretty important too. All right. On to the video. Hey, Stitchy. Hi, Stitch. Here. How about let's get up? Let's have a little bit of fun. Whee. Okay. Here now. Hi, buddy. Now let me take your bean back so you don't go on them. Hi, buddy. What's up? You want a snack? One little snack? Where's the little snack you're giving in your bowl? Betty, what are you doing? Oh yeah, you're doing something. Okay. So, I do have a treat. And I'm going to put it right in front of him. And, I'm going to be gone. And if he eats it while I'm gone, he's not going to get treats for 2 days. Okay, no. Stay. Leave it. Okay, hold on. Wait, no. Don't eat it yet. Come on, you got someone. Look, the camera. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, no. Okay. Sis, no, you can't have that treat. Okay. Leave it. Sit. Leave it. Don't. No. Leave it. I want to be quiet. Leave it. You got out of the camera. Wait a minute. He didn't eat the trees right here. Good boy. You don't even want it? He usually eats trees. You don't want it? Okay, so he did get out of the camera. It's like over there. I do have a phone. It's the same exact camera as this one on my tablet. So I'm going to get my phone, and that's one of his hidden camera number 2. Work? Well, we're going to see. Wait, my phone's literally right here. Oh. Got it. Okay. Here's hidden camera number 2. You want to pause the video from my phone? I'll get back with you guys. Okay, so I got hanging camera number 2 over there. Set up. Now I'm set this camera up right about there. Okay. Can you see me? Okay. Sit down. Sit. No, leave it. Camera turned off. Okay. Oh, he did not eat it. So far. I don't know if he ate it. Looks like the video here. So guys, he did not eat it. It is still right here. He doesn't even want it. Okay, I want to put it in his bowl tomorrow and give him his beanbag back. And I'm going to end the video. But oh my God, stop it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Why is your tail down? Why is your tail down? Why is your tail down? Okay, but anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, bye. Tell them what to do real quick. I know you said this in the intro, but what do they have to do again? Yep, okay. Yep, they do that. Okay, that's important. Yep. Well, not really important, but yeah, okay. There you go. You forgot one thing. Yep, there you go. Alright. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be posting a video tomorrow. Bye.